We have Sean Cannon here, Daniel Basted.
You're missing it. You're missing all of it.
What's your conference? First, second, third,
This is
tenth?
my fourth.
Oh
My
gosh.
first that I'm not speaking, which is spectacular.
I'm not speaking either, so good.
More relaxed.
Daniel, it's your first one.
My first actually. So first time in Amsterdam, first time at the conference, first time meeting you guys.
There's a chance that the audio is very shitty. We find out in the future. But carry
Well,
on.
we'll just put on subtitles, then you can put in a thing there. But really fun to be here and meeting all of you guys.
Anyone else from Goodbye Kansas Studio that's joining us here?
No, it will be just me. But we have a team of great artists back home in Sweden that use Blender quite a lot, especially in concepting, modeling, and use it for grooming as well.
For grooming?
Yes.
Wow.
So that's cool.
Incredible. I'll be right back. Now I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying it. And here we have Alexandro Zonparelli from Modena. Ciao. Let's see what else we have here. Let's interrupt people. Oh!
Hello!
So this guy here was saying, oh, I'm going there, I don't know if I should. What should I talk about? But did you find yourself at home here?
Oh yes.
Oh, it's the first time you meet, like I'm in the live. I love your work on Topo Flow.
Thank you.
It's a nice usability. Not kind of I'm trying to do what I'm doing here is that it's been 11 years since I've been to the conference. This is my first one. And I did videos at that time. Everything was so exciting. Now I'm having so many times I just don't even take pictures of Amsterdam anymore. But it's kind of nice to make something for the young, the lives out there.
Yeah.
So it's kind of. So what's your expectations for the Blender conference?
Expectations? Having great talks with good friends.
Okay.
And learning what other people are using Blender for.
And it's your first Blender conference?
No.
I've been here. Oh,
It's my third.
I missed the last two Blender conference. My bad. And it's your 10th conference? Seventh conference. See you here for
talked via email.
I know. We talked. You have my book. I signed.
Exactly.
I signed. Like the first autograph.
signed it.
My first autograph was for this guy here. I
What was
remember.
awesome. What was awesome.
You read? Oh, it's so nice.
Yes.
Too bad that we killed the Blender Game Engine.
Well, maybe he returns someday.
What were you showing here?
We're talking about all the complexities around TurboFlow, all the things that we have to handle for the artists to make it easier for them.
Show some code sneak peek.
No, because it's fine. There's a question though for you.
What's that?
A lot of the UI and the decisions you made for
Yes.
Retopoflow, you recreated a lot of things from scratch.
Yes.
Reinvented the wheel. Instead of try to use the Blender UI and the Blender tools.
Right.
Why is that?
Well,
Just
for
maybe
one,
because how you could do it. It doesn't matter. I mean, it's not criticizing in any way.
for one, it was a learning experience. For two, we wanted to be able to basically recreate the entire UI, so that if we wanted to, we could just have the 3D view take up the entire place and be able to still have all the windows, all the UI stuff in there.
Oh, it makes sense.
So
No, it doesn't matter.
there are actually quite a number of reasons, but yeah.
And I've heard you might go in a sabbatical for some months, looking for opportunities.
Yeah, that's coming up. Yeah.
I have some ideas for that.
Yeah. All right. Great.
Nice meeting you. Let's now talk to Bart, the man of the hour.
Hey, what's up?
Hey Bart, such a long time.
What are you getting me into now? Huh?
So for what I shouldn't repeat what I'm doing every single time because otherwise it's going to be boring. I'm trying to recreate the experience I had in 2008 when I had my first Blender conference. And I was making films from what's not streamed to what is people talking here, and you have people from Sketchfab, of course. Bart from Sketchfab.
Yeah, I'm from all kinds of things.
Blender Nation and all that. So I try to, I don't know, maybe try to do something for the young Dalai out there. What are you guys showing here?
What we're showing, we are showcasing Sketchfab.
Oh.
For years.
Wow.
Real-time lighting,
thing. I'm going to show a lot of features that people
Wow.
might not know.
Oh, SSS.
Yep, there's SSS.
Probably won't look good on video because of YouTube, but SSS. It might.
Model inspector. So you can
Oh,
check
the
out.
armature and so it looks so good.
The first one is good.
Wow, this looks so good.
Yeah, we
Is it
are-
Blender even?
I'm not sure if it's might be good.
Man, in the end it doesn't even matter. That's
Yeah,
how I
for
roll.
us, it doesn't.
For the world doesn't my boo no. No, it's
This one is pretty cool. Where's my alien?
this I was looking at it from the back. Can you see the motorbike again?
Sorry?
The bike.
The bike. This is photogrammetry as well.
Looks so good.
I was just showing how we have this new ground shadow feature that will just project shadows for you.
Oh,
That will actually bake in the browser.
and
So
I guess the ground is also built in.
yeah, it's just fake.
Yeah, I kind of wanted that in Blender as well.